omushomesa akazi w'okubarutirwa Ekisiika no Bridget Arneitwe obiri nashomesa y'eishomero ya Arise and Shine Nursery and Primary School omuri kijunju mu district ya Masindi.
Waliyo ekizimbe ekyagudde ekigwira abaana era nga information sofa gye tulina eraga nti abaana basatu be bakoseddwa era batwaliddwa mu ddwaliro. Omusomesa omu n'afiirawo nga babadde bamututte mu ddwaliro, afiiridde mu ddwaliro.
Embeera egi yimusya abembezi mu disitulikiti egi barimu na mukuru w'ebyobwegyese Muboneka Kiza abatabukiro watandikiro y'eishomero eri.
Basing on what we have observed and what has transpired, we are closing the school today, temporarily until everything is put right.
What are the few issues that you
what we have discovered is that though the classrooms do exist, there are some that lack shutters.
Serious warning eriba proprietors abamasomero bonna nti education policy eri very clear. Olina okumakinga sure nti one ofuna license n'otandika okoperatinga.
Abaana bakutazibwe bariyo nibatunga obujanja bayirwaro rya Kitara Medical Center kandi babashaho bagamba ngo bariyo nibakira.
The adult who passed on, by the time they brought her in, she was in a very critical condition. Actually, we hardly had a minute to save her life, so she eventually passed on. And then for the children, two, we were suspecting fractures, and others had sustained severe injuries on their faces.
Gasha kwa Mbrozi Nwagaba Katoto.